To determine the horizontal asymptote of a function, we need to notice what the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator are. How those compare determines horizontal asymptotes. So for part A, we have the function f of x equals numerator x squared minus 8, and our denominator is 5x to the fourth plus 7. Well, based on the chart we have in our notes, if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, if the numerator has a degree that's less than that of the denominator, we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. That's one case. Second case, let's label that properly. If the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator, then we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals the ratio of the leading coefficients. The ratio of our leading coefficients would tell us where our horizontal asymptote is, and if the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, then we could have an oblique, or what's called a slant asymptote, but there is no horizontal asymptote. So we could check for slant. So, part A, this function, the degree of the numerator is 2, and the degree of the denominator is 4. So since the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, we have a horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. All right. Part B, the function is f of x equals, the numerator is 2x to the fourth plus 5, and the denominator is 3x to the fourth minus 5. Well, those degrees are equal. So we need to find the ratio of the leading coefficients. And these, the 2 and a 3, those are our leading coefficients, so that would be 2/3. So we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 2/3.